Your course is full of videos, documents, and resources to help you learn. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to access all of it. Whenever you see a video lesson, just click the play button to start watching. You can pause, rewind, or use full screen for a better view. Videos track your progress automatically, so once you finish watching, it's marked complete. For reading materials, click any lesson titled Page or Resource. These open right inside the course. No new tabs, no distractions. Scroll down to read, and the system remembers where you left off. Need a PDF or worksheet? Look for the download icon next to any file. Click it once and it saves straight to your device so you can review it anytime, even offline. That's it. Videos, resources, and downloads all in one place. Open your next lesson and keep going.